Okay, so this back there is the reception area. So after you greet by reception, you walk to the resort cottage. You can also, like I said before on my previous clip video, jump on a buggy. Buggy will take you to your room, your cottage. You see the noise here? That's when they are now developing next door. So even more better. So the layout's good. You got the walking track here, and you see the big roundabout here, and there's the buggy that takes you there. So this buggy here. So there's the buggy. So I can fit at least 6 people, and 2 more at the back, probably 3 more if you've got kids. So that's about almost 10. 2 big families. So the cottage, they have about over 58 roughly cottages you can explore. Listen to the natures, and don't worry about ignore the workers in the background noise. Okay. So you find animal here. So last time we saw lizards, because they live in the bush. Yep. Saga tree is being planted here. So it's a palm tree or palm around the walking track. There's a bike area here, bicycle and another buggy shed. So all this area here is actually is a cement and sand. They actually building they use this cement and sand area to make concrete, and they build a walk path up the top here. So it's not finished yet. You see they block this area up because there's gonna be a walking track here. So walk track, you walk straight from your cottage straight to the beach, straight to the pool area as well. So that's actually being developed at the moment. And look, we can't wait till it's finished. It's gonna be very interesting because like you're walking up like a sky bar, but this is a skywalk. So after walking another 20 meters, you'll see your cottages. And yeah, they have certain section of cottages, A, B, C, D, and then you got numbers after that. Yes, that's right. So there's a little mini creek here. Water normally flows here, normally when it rains. But yeah, it's beautiful nature garden. Got a bit of bamboo tree here. And check this out, look at this bamboo shoot here. Look how amazing it is. Shooting up. This bamboo shoot shooting up, and there's a few more along there as well. I think it's being planted. And then along here you got the coconut tree. So walk on the grass, so you can walk around the grass here like a walking track. Sometimes it's healthy to walk barefoot on the grass. Give you good positive ions, good positive energy. Or you can walk on the actual path there. Yes. So the coconut plants straight across there. But show you another big one. Here's a big, massive bamboo shoot here. Probably been here a few days, and it's getting bigger every day. Yeah, so all along here there's all the bamboo tree planted, and then you got next to it is the coconut tree. Coconut have fruit already. Look at this fruit here, coconut fruit. Fruit already started here, coconut fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a mini one over here. A lot more fruit coming. And it's only like, I don't know, 3-meter high coconut tree. So when you get to this intersection here, break into 4 areas. 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and all have different section. You can choose. So I decided to take the left section and walk around on the footpath, enjoy the beautiful nature. Can't even know what this tree is. Look at the flower here. Apparently this one here, the flower you eat. So if you see my previous video clip, you have it with fruit salad, also other food as well, breakfast and dinner. So they actually pick one on one of my dishes. So you watch it on my previous video, you'll find out that, yeah, the fruit that I was doing a vlog on was this one, the flower. See, it's from this tree. So healthy, we eat it. Okay, nít đam sẵn cái, không có đam sẵn cái rồi. Okay. Cloud down, so the footpath really cool here. I think it's all cool water, cool shade, cool trees. Đào sẵn cái tiếp đấy. Đào sẵn cái ca với lần lương của này ca với chẳng một hai ca mỗi sẵn. Đào sẵn cái lương. Okay, and then every cottage you have set up layout like this. So next door to us is the one there, and then here set up layout. It's good. Okay, and the door's open, so welcome. But if you haven't seen inside, have a look at my previous video posted on previously, and the inside layout is good too. So walk up the steps, very good, very quick, easy, and surrounded by beautiful Mother Nature, of course, plants, all sorts of plants. Okay everyone, thanks for watching, have a good day, see you in next clip.